Welcome to Momima Learning. Today we are going to learn about parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Let's learn one by one. Noun. Naming words. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples are teacher, doctor, book, school. Example sentences: My teacher explained the concept clearly. He is my doctor. This is my school. Mala bought a new book at the store. Verb. Action words. A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. Examples are run, play, jump. Example sentences: She runs every morning. He plays the guitar. The cat jumped onto the table. Adjective. Describing words. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Examples are big, small, hot. Example sentences: This shirt is very big. The tea is hot. He wants a small sandwich. Adverb. Describe verbs. An adverb expresses more about a verb, adjective, or another adverb in sentences. It often ends in ly. Examples are quickly, softly. Example sentences: He ran quickly. She spoke softly. They played the game badly. Pronoun. Words that replace nouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Examples are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Example sentences: I went to the store yesterday. He helps his mom with the gardening. She sings beautifully. It is a beautiful day. Preposition. Preposition shows relationship. A preposition is used with a noun or pronoun to form a phrase. Examples: on, in, at, under. Example sentences: The book is on the table. She is studying in the library. We will meet at the park. The cat is under the table. Conjunction. Conjunction is joining words. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or classes. Examples: and, but, or, so. Example sentences: She is smart and funny. He wanted to go to the beach, but it was raining. Do you want pizza or pasta? I was tired, so I went to bed early. Interjection. Interjection is a sudden feelings. An interjection is a word or phrase that expresses strong emotion or surprise. Examples: Wow! Oh! Yay! Example sentences: Wow! What a beautiful sunset! Oh! I had no idea! Yeah! We won the game! Now, let's quickly revise all 8 major parts of speech. Noun is a naming word. Pronoun replace a noun. Verb action words. Adjective describes a noun. Adverb describes a verb. Preposition shows relationship. Conjunction joining word. Interjection sudden feeling. Hope you know the parts of speech. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Momima Learning channel.